Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's furniture makeover is going to be part of a furniture flip challenge here on YouTube hosted by Marissa over at Miss Flips. The goal of this challenge is to make over a piece of furniture with as many eco-friendly elements as possible. That means materials and techniques should be environmentally friendly. For this challenge, I'm going to give this 1950s dresser a simple refresh and try to restore it to its original luster. It was made by Cartwright for Founders and was in pretty good condition. I purchased this as part of a 5-piece furniture bundle and fell in love with this dresser so much I decided to keep it. I'm sure this unit holds its own memories from the 1950s, but ironically enough, I'm going to be using this to hold all my old family pictures, albums, and keepsakes. My goal with this mid-century piece is not to change very much. The different shades of wood really gives it so much character, so I'm just going to freshen up the finish. And since the webbing ambered over time, I'm going to lighten it up slightly and finally clean up the hardware. Before getting started with any furniture restoration, it's very important to know exactly what you're dealing with. This unit is entirely a walnut veneer, with the exception of the base, so keeping this in mind, I have to be very careful with how I sand. As with any furniture flip, whether you're painting or restoring wood, you never want to skip that important step of cleaning. I'm using reusable gloves and cloths and a 50-50 ratio of vinegar to water. After removing the hardware, I later cleaned them up with the same vinegar solution and buffed it enough just to see some shine but not get rid of all the tarnish. I'm so excited to start using my new Festool sander. It's hooked up to the Festool HEPA certified dust extractor. Using this system ensures not only a clean workspace, but ultimately clean air and filtration. HEPA filters remove 99.9% of particles that pass through them. To get ready for the finish, I'm cleaning up the entire unit using Jasco Green Odorless Mineral Spirits. It's important to remove any remaining dust or grime before applying your finish. This will also cut through any of the old polish and wax remaining from the original finish. This is my first time using Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus 2C. Since this unit is for myself, I thought it's a good opportunity to try something new. And this is a plant-based hard wax oil wood finish. It contains no VOCs, which stands for volatile organic compounds, which is a generic term for the chemical substances that evaporate into the air, making this a clean and safe product. As the name implies, it's just one application to get the protection and still keep the natural look and feel of the wood. The 2C stands for two components. Part A is the oil and part B is an accelerator or hardener. The hardener reduces the curing time from 21 days to within 5 days. I love a good challenge, especially one that motivates you to make lasting changes that not only impact health and well-being, but our environment as a whole. Thank you, Marissa, for hosting this challenge. I hope you guys go check her out. She is truly amazing and talented. I've put a link in the description to her channel as well as a playlist of all the other participants in this eco-friendly furniture flip challenge.
Day, right there you took my breath away. Young and pretty, was it just a dream? The next day you called me up, you told me I'm your little buttercup. You came over and you fell into my arms. Well, I know what I feel. Please tell me your love is real. You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, I can't get enough. Hopeless lover. You make me happy, I feel so fine. Oh, how I wish that you were mine. I can't get enough.
Thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and let me know in the comments what you think of today's makeover. See you next Friday. Bye.